Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial I'll provide you with help to remove the browser hijacking extension called Quick Switch Search. Quick Switch Search is a browser hijacking extension that basically targets Google Chrome and other browsers. It may change your default search engine settings without your permission or approval. Therefore, if this extension was mistakenly found in your Google Chrome browser, if it was mistakenly installed, you need to get rid of it. So access the menu Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then remove the junk extension if you find its presence on the list. Finally, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which might still possibly remain on the system. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.